Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I'm going to do a card reading for this whole week, which is going to be from Monday to Sunday. So the card deck which I'm going to use is Indigo Angel card deck, and another is Super Attractor card deck, and I have already put the intention during my prayers, and so I'm going to start shuffling the card, and I'm really excited since this is also a very powerful deck. And also let's see how many cards angels are guiding me to pick for this week and what are those. That's it. So we card from this deck, and I'm going to shuffle another deck. And the card coming from this deck, if you see that they are coming every week, that means you still need to work on that affirmation for yourself. And I know the affirmation is very, very powerful. Second card, I'm going to shuffle one more time. So I have got card from this deck as well. So since we got cards from both the deck, I will start reading the card. And the first card which I got is You Are Loved. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is everyone is in your life for a specific reason. This card asks you to realize that deep down people truly do care about you and want you to succeed. Sometimes Indigo steps into anger when they feel as if people are trying to control them. Know that this time in your life is very temporary, and before you know it, you will be making your own rules. It's okay to go along with what others say, as long as you feel that their rules are based in love and wisdom. So detach for a moment and allow yourself to see the situation through others' people's motivations. The angels love and respect you unconditionally, and they are always on your side. Next card. Health. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is the angels bring you this card because they have a message for you regarding health. This can be about yourself or someone close to you. Health refers to not only physical but also emotional and spiritual wellness. Once this card is full, it's a sign to make sure you are not owing or identifying with any health condition. Detach from the condition and see it as separate from who you are and as a phase in your life that will quickly be over. Archangel Raphael is working with you when you see this card, so call upon him and his magnificent green light to aid with health and healing. This card can also be a sign that you are a healer, since indigos are born with powerful energies and abilities in this arena. This may be an indication that you should confidently move forward with your healing training and work. Next card, Trust. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is this card asks you to trust that there is a purpose to life. Keep faith that the chaos you see around you has an earned dearly meaning and divine design. When times are hard, indigos can feel that the world has been orchestrated to work against them and that nothing fair. The truth is that your viewpoint has not yet expanded enough to put your problems into perspective. As you age, you will see that what seems overwhelming and unbearable now is only a minor hitch. Trust that there is so much more out there, including magical experience. You will see how balanced the world has the potential to be. Take this card as a reminder to preserve. Stay strong and believe in yourself because the world needs you more than you may know. Next card. Look through the situation. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is as an indigo, you may get caught up in the emotions in a situation and feel stressed or frightened. This card reminds you that life will continue long after you have gotten through this challenge and forgotten all about it. The angels ask you to concentrate on the good things in your life and see beyond whatever is going on around you. One of the best ways to find resolution is by releasing the situation and allowing yourself to feel relief. Take time to relax and imagine what it will feel like when this trying time is over. Trust that the angels hear your prayers loud and clear and will help you with resolving every aspect of the situation. So now, cards from another deck. And the first is, when I truly surrender my desire to the universe, a mighty force of faith can set in. Next card. When I'm in a state of appreciation, I am in vibrational alignment with my true love nature. Next card. When I connect to the spiritual realm, I open the door to receive divine guidance, clear direction, and great wisdom. Next card. When I am patient, I let the universe do for me what I cannot do for myself. Next card. Manifesting is the creative process of alignment with the energy of the universe to co-create an experience that elevates my spirit and the spirit of the world. Last but not the least, when I am grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. So this was the card reading for this week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I wanted to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. I also wanted to say thanks to all the people who are inspiring me to make this video and people who are helping me to make this video. Thank you, all of you. So for all my services, you guys can reach out me through my email ID, and people who are connected with me through social media. Of course, you can contact me through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, and Skype. And definitely, I would love to help you guys and work with you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel, take care, live with lots of love, light and angel blessing. Namaste.